Hi, this is Su. In this video, I want to give you more information about the 4-hour crash course, Generative AI for Finance Professionals. This course actually has three components: the future of work, the AI fundamentals, and how to use AI in finance. In the future of work, you will learn what are the future development trends of the AI technology and how that's going to impact your future finance jobs. In the AI fundamental, you will learn the basic AI knowledges, how the technology has developed so far, and what are the types of different generative AI, and what are the tools for each types. In the use AI in finance, you're going to build up the practical skills, which I think interests most of you guys. And this also will be the main focus of the course. So you will see a lot of AI use cases, improve your prompting skills, and better understanding what are the different methods that you can use to access AI in your workplace settings. Another thing I want to share with you guys is how we see the relationships between the three. For us, the future of work is kind of the North Star. It gives us a sense of the directions. So once we understand where everything is heading towards, we can compare the future with where we are right now to identify the skill set gaps. So we will know what we really need to learn. On the other hand, the AI fundamentals is the base. So you can't learn those AI practical skills without understanding the basic AI knowledges. You can do that to a certain stage, but after that, you will completely get confused. So it's very important to have a solid foundations. Now, once we know where the future is and we have the solid foundations, pick up the practical AI skills in finance will become much easier. And also, it doesn't matter where your starting point is. You can start with a very minimum technical backgrounds, or you can have a decent amount of AI experience. It's all the same story. We we just need to identify the gaps between where we are and where we want to be, and then gradually fill in the gaps with practical skill sets. Another benefit of this framework is that the AI technology is still evolving. So the star probably will change many times in the coming futures. But because we have this framework, we can just identify the new skill sets that are required and start to pick up those skills. So this will really make the AI in finance learning much more efficient than you just randomly jump into some part of this without the support of framework and get lost in this whole process. Okay, now we've covered the framework. Let me show you guys more about the details. So here is the concept map that we have. It shows all the key concepts that will be covered in this course. I will not go through all of them. You can read it, you can pause, you can read it yourself. Maybe, you know what, maybe I would just give you we'll just talk about this AI case in finance as an example. So in this AI case in finance, we'll start with the basic tasks like report generation, data analysis, and visualization, and online research, those type of things. So, so you learn skill sets on how to do each of the tasks. Once we learn that, we're actually going to move to workflow integration. So if you think about your job, most of the finance job operate on a very cleared process. And if we try to break down our job, it actually can be made of multiple small pieces of tasks. So that means there is a potential opportunity that we can use AI to do each of the tasks. Now, AI probably will not do all of the tasks perfectly, but it probably can do part of it, maybe 50-50, maybe 80-20, right? That's all depends on the specific tasks. So that's why we're going to introduce you the concepts of co-pilots, where human AI do similar amount of tasks, and the concept of agents, where AI will do the majority of the task, and then the human just give the instructions. Once we got those two in place, now then we move to the enterprise AI usage considerations. So you have to understand what are the limitations if you want to use this in your finance job, and together you should be sufficient to use the AI technology in your finance tasks. So just to give you an example how we build up the course, and then it's pretty much the same logic. Another way you can look at this picture is that on the left hand side, everything is about AI technology. So you can just learn the left hand side without knowing anything about finance. But on the right hand side, everything is about how to integrate the AI into your finance job, both now and in the future. Yeah, just a different way to look at this framework. Now, here is the last thing I want to show you in this video. So previously, this is all the concepts, all the knowledges we're gonna present to you. But after you finish the course, those are the skills we expect you to acquire. So we started with the ability to understand the fundamental AI concepts, and then you will know which AI tools to choose and how to use it for your finance-related tasks. Then you should be able to write the killer prompts, and then you should be able to integrate AI into your workflow. To this stage, you'll be called as a super user of AI, but still there are two more additional skill sets if you really want to have a long-term strategic differences. And that is being able to identify the most relevant industry and to follow that, and also understand the limitations and to be able to use it reasonably. So with these six skills, I think you should be able to really stand out from your peers. All right, this is kind of the everything in this course. I hope this makes sense to you guys, and I'm really looking forward to meet you in the course. Bye.